What up, y'all? What up? What up? My name is Mario Narimatsu. I am a content specialist coming out of the Bay Area, California. I come with 15 plus years of experience in graphic design, photography, and videography. Alright, you guys, so instead of giving you guys that traditional resume, I'm gonna give you guys something quick, but also visually interesting. So let's take a look, y'all. Let's go. What drives me is turning strategy into storytelling, finding those right angles, imagery, and messages that connect with the audience. Whether it's in design, photography, or video, I thrive on creating work that makes brands memorable. I've worked with teams from startups to established brands, helping them define their identities, launching products, and even to just connect with fans. My work has contributed to many campaigns that left a lasting impact and inspiration to others. From product marketing to retail activations, I bring leadership, versatility, and a deep skill set in Adobe Creative Suite, as well as campaign execution and content strategy across print, digital, and social platforms. For me, it's about teamwork, clear communication, and building brand legacy. Alright, you guys, so thank you for taking a look at my work today. I think that I can be creative and set the tone for your brand as well. So let's work. See you guys soon.